Hi guys, hope you're doing so well today. Today we're going to do an awesome big mass planting of our first shipment of plants. We're doing our Proven Winners plants, all of our Proven Winners annuals. So we have a big crew today. We have Sebastian's family from Puerto Rico here, my family. We're going to do lots of planting. We are so excited. We are just having fun. We're having lots of help. We have Luca, we have Bear, the whole team, and we just had some amazing Puerto Rican food. So we are ready to go. I forgot to take videos or pictures for you guys till the end. So I wanted to show you the food, but we just want to take you guys along for the ride. It's going to be fast and busy. We've got a couple thousand plants to plant. We have all of our trays out that are already ready to go. We got the greenhouse cleaned. The tags are by the trays. So we already have the trays of pots with soil in them. So they're already prepped for us. We did that this week with some of our crew. And we are just going to be planting away. So let's go. I'll show you guys along as much as I can.
Un poquito, ups, un poquito.
Good job, Mom. You got it. Look at guys, isn't this exciting? I love when all these rows of baby plants get put out. Look at that. Starting to be just plants for days. I love it.
Here you go, Nana.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Think of what.
Yeah, we have to mix two there.
It looks like I made an ant house.
Esas son todas de esas.
Yeah, lleva.
Several thousand plants later, and here we are. Our sweet helpers had to go for the day, so it's just Luca and I and Bear, and Sebastian is saying goodbye to them. So we didn't get all of them planted. I'd say we got about half or maybe 3/4 planted. So I'm gonna touch base with Sebastian, see if we're gonna roll through. It's like 4 or 5 o'clock right now, and finish all of them, or if we're gonna start them tomorrow. But let me show you what we've done so far. Okay, look at guys. Oh my goodness, have I missed this? This is so fun. It's like all our old friends are back and new friends. This is the new one for this year. Super Bells Pink Lemonade is gonna be gorgeous. It's multicolored, so it starts out yellow and it turns to beautiful pinkish colors. But look at how sweet. Fine, there you go. Oh, look how sweet. So that's all of those. We're gonna move on back to the next one. Is beautiful. This year we have a new one, Steel Blue. I'm so excited about. These are very hardy and heat tolerant. Look at all of those. This is gonna be my favorite for this year, I think. You guys, look at Toucan Coral Canna. Oh my goodness, doesn't it just look like you're in Hawaii right now? My dream. Oh, I love it. Look at those babies. And then we're going on to the next one, Super Tunia Mini Vista Yellow. Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous. I just love seeing the color on the tags. Look at all these plants. Next one, these are almost all spoken for already. They are just big for this year. Super Bina Imperial Blue. Beautiful. Don't look like much, but they will be massive and gorgeous soon. Get all of those. Here we have Suncredible, Yellow Favorite. Already look pretty established. It's getting windy here. Next we have, I'm really excited about this. First time this year we have the Infinity Light Purple Impatience. This is a shade patient or impatient. Gonna be beautiful. They look kind of sad, but they'll perk right up. That's all of those pretty pink ones. Next we have my absolute favorite from last year. I had it all over our garden. Super Tunia Blue Veined, and look at the plant itself is just the cutest little thing. And then we got one left that we planted up. We have the lemon
coral sedum.
Thanks, Luca. Good job. Thank you. That's right, lemon coral sedum. And look at how cute. Let me find a good one. There you go. How cute those little things are. So that's all. Oh no, I lied. Luca actually planted this up all by himself. He started the Rock and Play in the Blue Salvia. So we got those. We got a tray of those so far.
And they look a little sad because I might have overall watered it.
I think you did perfect. Yeah, so he watered all these in for me, so I'm just going to check them. Look at that. And see if they need any more water. We swing over here and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trays left. Trying to think. Yeah. So
This is the one I started.
Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Vine is next. Diamond Frost Euphorbia. Look how sad they look in here, but they will be gorgeous plants. And we have Blushing Princess Sweet Alyssum, Vertigo, Bubblegum, Color Blaze Torchlight Coleus. So fun, even as babies. And then the last one is the rest of the Play in the Blues Salvia. So awesome. We just have those to pot up. Won't take too long. Is that Sunny, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you guys so much for joining us today. It was so fun getting these planted, wasn't it? We just had an absolute blast. It's always a lot of work, but such fun work. We love it. We love it. And I'm just so excited about all of that cheer behind us. We will give you guys updates as the blooms come, which is pretty hot in here, isn't it? So it should be shortly. But thanks, guys, for joining us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Here's our little cutie pie who's been waiting for us. You've been so good what we've been planting.